In this video, we're going to talk about how to get your P license in Malaysia as an international in 30 days. Now, I'm going to be honest, in a realistic time frame, it would more likely be like 2 to 3 months. But if you get lucky, if everything is like all these steps happen in like as fast as they can, like if everything goes smooth for you, you might even get it in 30 days or even earlier. I don't know. But so your required documents. First, you need your passport, original and copies. I would have my passport and original passport and a few colored and black and white copies. I'd have like at least two colored and two black and white. Your valid visa. As an international, you should have a student, employment, dependent pass, or like some sort of visa, which should be at least 6 months validity. It should have like 6 months validity, right? You should also have some passport size photos with you with white background. For me, I just have like white and blue background, a bunch of like sized pictures, just extra. Um, Also, how much fees can you expect? I'd say from 1800 to 2500 for the full DA course. DA means like driving. Um, I think D is the one for driving cars, and A means automatic, so like automatic driving cars course, depending on the school's premium or standard package. So each school might have like different packages. So let's see. Oh, also this is how the P license looks, right? This is not a real license. It's like just to show people. Your P license would have this. So first, it's a two-step process, right? So first you'd get your L license, and then after that you'd get your P license. With a P license, you can drive the car on your own, but with the L license, you'd need an instructor with you all the time while you're driving, and you're not allowed to drive like alone on the streets. So day one, registration. So on the first day, you'd go to your school, and to find a school, you just go to like ChatGPT or AI, or if you know any schools, you just go to them and you submit your passport, visa, and photos to the driving school, and then select a mandatory 6 hour lecture on road rules and safety, which is you can do in English or Bahasa Malay. This should take one day. Like for me, it was a 6 hour lecture. Sometimes it's like back to back 6 hours, sometimes it's like 3 hours and then like a break and then 3 hours. But it's total like 6 hours theory class, and then you have to do a computer test, which takes like about after like 1 to 2 weeks from this day, because you have to wait for your slot, right? So it's a 50 question multiple choice exam, and you only need like 42 to pass, like 42 out of 50 to pass. It's pretty easy. The questions are not that hard. If you know how to drive, if you know like the basic stuff, you'd easily pass. So the total time, I'm saying it's like 10 days. Like if you get like this time slot like in 1 week, and these are like maybe like you get on the same, you could even get it on the same day if you come like on the registration day like really early, I don't know. um, and then you'd get your license after you do the computer test. I think you can get this on the same day, or like after you get your results. You get your result on the same day. It's a computer test, so you just get it on the same day, and you might be able to get this license on the same day as well. And then this is your step two. um, so on day four, you'd go to back to your school, driving school, and do 6 hours of practical training on a private circuit. So like now you're going into the car with an instructor and like practicing your parking, hills, and 3 point turns. Also, this 6 hours in some schools, it's like 4 hours. It's total 16 hours of driving, right? Day four and day five together, it's like 16 hours of driving. You can do like 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, or like 8 hours, 8 hours. Like it depends on you. Like for me, for my school, I could do like 8 hours, 8 hours. um, on day six, It's a pre-test exam. Some schools do not have this, so you might even skip this. On day 7, it's the JPJ practical test. This is your final test, like driving test, which takes like 2 to 4 weeks after this or this day. This day or this day. It takes like 2 to 4 weeks waiting for a slot. This is the final exam with a JPJ officer divided into circuit and road sections. And on day 8, they issue your license, which takes 1 to 3 days. You get your like exam results on the same day as well, so you know if you passed or not. And once you've passed, it takes like a few days, 1 to 3 days, and then you get your provisionary license, which is valid for 2 years. And you can drive, you get like this is valid for 2 years, and you can drive the car, automatic, like driving cars, alone, without us, like anyone else, like without us instructor. Remember that competent license, you can get the full competent driving license after 2 years of probation, after 2 years of this license. And once you have the CDL, you can also apply for the international driving permit as well. So realistically, I would say like 18 days plus like 10 days, around like 30 days earliest. But realistically, it would take 2 to 3 months. Okay.